Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety, reliability, and styling without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Honda Pilot EX-L in crystal black pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, third row seating, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3270B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.